Number 11, Tulan John. Putback, number 72. 3, wala. Rebound, 11, Mendoza. Step back 2, yes. Setting up a play, Manalo, lumusot, D-drop. Number 18 to Manalo, all the way, 2 points. 72 now, Divera, pull up, wala. Rebound number 8, 20, Lajon, 2 points. Manalo, knockout play. 72 for 3, no good. Rebound 11, Mendoza, 2 points. To number 72, Divera, lumusot, wala. But Lajon is there. Number 8 now, Alihan dribbling the ball, setting up a play. To jersey number 10, Alvarico on the corner, yes, 2 points. Manalo, almost still here, Alian, fake, side, Number 18, Alian for 3, wala, rebound Mendoza. No good, rebound number 11 again to Manalo, to number 10, Alvarico.
Nice pass! Turn the ball! Woo! Alabs na.
Number 8, Ingo for Alvarico. Yes, easy 2 points. Number 8, Ingo. Yes. Number 20 to number 10. Mendoza, basket. Number 10 to jersey number 11, Mendoza. Running shot, fade away, yes. Manalo number 43, basket. 22, pull up, no good. Rebound 11, fake, yes, basket. Number 20, Lajon for 3 points. Alicante, paso nakabawi. 72 basket, 2 points. Number 43, Manalo to number 27, Alicante sa loob. 15 to shoot. To number 72 for 3, basket, out. 5 to shoot. Good, still, basket. Number 18, Alihan,
Pinipindot lang.
Manalo to Mendoza to Speeds to Manalo pass to Father to Long for 2 points. We have
18 to Manalo. Back again to 18, JR Alihan to 20. Ang ganda na finish. To 11. And of 43. And now 11 to Lajon. Sa baba.
Na lang.
11 now, sizing up. J. De La Cruz, 11. Basket. To Manalo, 43. To Lajon, to 72. 4-3, wala. Rebound 11, Mendoza. To 72. 4-3, yes. 2 points.
Ano na yata yan, Ben? Pumunta ka rin.